How's it going? Jesse from Holler Boys, and just a quick one today. We're going to be replacing these, the Caravan pop-top springs. So first I'm going to clean it all out. So, well, actually I'll take it off, clean it out, and then I'll put the new ones in. So, and get started. Alright, so to take the old ones off and to put the new ones in, that's going to be annoying. But there's 4 screws, 2 up top going upwards and 2 going sideways. Going the sideways ones are going to be I might have to get a small screwdriver, so just pause it quickly. Because of this bar that's here, it's going to be an issue, so we're going to have to just do by hand these 2 bottom ones. All the other 4 Caravan springs on this one at least doesn't have this bar. 3. The other 3 doesn't have this bar, so it's easier. But this is the easiest one to record rather than the other ones. So, and I've already replaced 2. So, just take these off. So I'll fast forward this. And just like that, all 4 are out. Down. I'm gonna have to press. Oh, these are hard to compress when you want them to. Stop it there for a second. Just like that, the old one's out. I didn't record actually taking it out because YouTube would probably take it down for dangerous activities, because it could be very dangerous. I did it in the safest possible manner, and no one was hurt, nothing was damaged or anything, so it was the best way to do it. But it can be dangerous, and it looks dangerous on camera. So if you're not confident in doing it, I suggest do not do it, because springs are no joke, and I should know. Replacing the other one on this side, replacing this side over here, I was putting the new one in, and silly me cut the tape as I was sliding it in, and it hit me in the stomach, and I ended up with blood on the spleen. So if you follow me on TikTok, you'll see that I was in hospital and everything. So that's why. But it can be dangerous, so that's why I'm showing you how to do it. But just be very bloody careful, please. It's no joke. Springs are no joke. So you can lose a limb, mainly fingers. You can smack yourself in the face, hit yourself in the throat, and you'd be paying for it, if not dead. So yeah, just be very careful. So I'll show the next part of it in a minute. Alright, so next step for me is going to clean it out. So I've got this little Makita vacuum.
Not sponsored.
Wish I was sponsored by Makita. All my tools are Makita. Makita, sponsor me.
Not doing much.
Yeah, the rust might be a little bit too heavy for this vacuum because it's not actually getting in there. So I'll just get it with my hands. Now I'm using the big one. Much cleaner. Yeah, well. What I meant by I cut the tape while I was putting it in is this tape that's holding the new ones shut. I cut it as I was sliding it in instead of silly me putting it in first and then cutting it, which also it'll hit up here and everything. So I'm just a little worried about doing this, and I'm not going to show it on camera because again, it's dangerous. Do not try this at home. But if you are going to try this at home, they are 4 bolts. So one there, well, at least this one is. Obviously they come in different ones, but this one's 4 bolts. So one, and then one facing upwards, and the same one on the other side. So I'll show you on the next step once this is not spring loaded. So I'll be back in a second. Now to do them all up. So get all the holes lined up. Sometimes you just need to shimmy them side to side. Yep, just like that. I should be able to get them all in. But yeah, as I said earlier, 4 holes. This part's the easy part. The hard part is actually getting it not spring loaded without hitting yourself or anything else. So once again, do not try this at home if you are not confident in yourself, because it could end up badly like it did, and I ended up in hospital. So yeah, silly me, but I knew where I went wrong, and I'm confident in myself to not do it again. I was confident in myself not to do it again, which I didn't do it again, of course. Not confident in myself to stand though, by the looks of it. No, but I'm alright. So it could have ended up way worse than it did. As I said, could hit me in the face, stomach, face, chest, neck even. They hit me in the stomach, which was the best of the worst situations. So, but yeah, this is how to change them. And if you're going to do it, make sure you're safe about it, because I know from experience it is not safe and it can hurt. I hate that I have to use a bloody screwdriver for this. But the other one's too hard to record, so the other side's too hard to record, so I'm recording this side. But yeah, so okay, go in, that's your home. Are you too good for your home? Okay. Come on, go in. Don't tell me it was one of the other sizes. For some reason this Caravan had 3 different sizes as well, so I tried to make them all one size, but they just didn't work. And just like that, all 4 are in. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And yeah, it turns out this one was a different size, which is annoying, because they're all there's 3 different sizes on this Caravan, and I've replaced 3. So yeah, but that's how you change them. I'll say one last time, do not try this at home. If you are, be the safest possible. And just like that, I'm signing off. So how to replace the Caravan pop top springs. So cheers.